Please say good morning to our invited teacher, Ma'am Rochelle Cabrera.
Good morning, Ma'am Cabrera.
Alright, be seated and arrange your chair.
Thank you.
Marquez, Nata, Monera. Okay, sa year now siya na-invite. Okay, hopefully everyone is fine. If not, continue your class. Now, let us start reviewing our previous lesson. Last year, to review, we'll have this ball. And then, you try to sing a song. What's your favorite song? Rap song. So, ako na alalin ko na lang yan. So, you just pass the ball and pag mag-stop, you answer the question in this topic. Stop! Okay, here's the cabbage na tanggal. Types of correlation, magbigay ng halimbawa. Linear, simple, and curvilinear correlation, and multiple correlation. Okay, very good. We have different examples of or types of correlation. We have three. The simple correlation, the multiple correlation, and the partial correlation. When you say simple correlation, it's just giving you a single variable x and a single variable y. Nanapay yung kaon niya. 1x and 1y, that means simple. When you say linear, straight line, it could be direct or inverse. Sige, padayon ka. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is nothing like it's swirling storm inside. Yeah. You gotta live. Stop. What's the question?
Person, product, moment, correlation, coefficient is also called as
The person, product, moment, correlation, coefficient is also known as. Okay, very good. That's person R.
Balik sa inyo.
Okay, stop. What is the R? R, Rachel. Who would like to help? Okay, very good. The coefficient of correlation. Stop.
When they use person R. Person R.
When they use person.
Ay, pag ano sir, the linear, pag magamit ang linear relation, linear correlation,
Okay, paggamit of linear correlation or when you want to get the relationship between two variables, preferably continuous. Okay. Okay, this time let's rank the stars. You'll be 1, all of you will be 2, all of you will be 3. When you say your number, all of you will have to stand. Ang nabilin, you will be our participant. Don't worry, it's just easy. Just rank them from 1 to 5. 1 being the best, 5 being the lowest among the persons. Here is 1. Janela is next. Ivana is 3. Liza. Jane. Okay. Okay, go. What do you think is number 1?
Pili di ako, asa yung gusto.
Jane de Leon. 2. Catherine 3. Ivana.
Isa naman ang sa dagat stars. Just paper din siya.
Zanella. And Liza. Thank you very much. Another one. Let's have number 1. Okay, go. Number 1.
Just order siya. Alden Richard. James Reed.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, 1.
Wala sila.
Alden. I have seen Alden in person. Oh my. Okay, thank you. They are both safe. Almost. Thank you very much. Now, by your ranks, we will be able to determine whether on your preference, on his preference, and on his preference, are they correlated with each other? So we are going to make use of Spearman prop in our discussion today. What is Spearman law? I want one to read. Go. Everyone, go.
The statistics being used based on ranks or position is the Spearman rank correlation coefficient represented by
Is presented by R. Sorry, it should be R sub S. Spearman law. Person R is different because continuous variables are utilized when solving it. However, for Spearman law, we are making use of order or ranking. Ranks. Next, go.
It is a measure of relationship between two variables by ranking the items or individuals under study according to their position.
Like what you did, you ranked them according to your own preferences. That's why in competitions, there are many judges. Why? because it would be unfair if we will only have one judge and then the winner will only be based on his own preference. Hirap yun. That's why in Miss Universe, there are around 10 to 15 judges who will determine the winner because beauty itself is subjective. And we can even compare whether one judge is judging incorrectly or logically or making use of the correct criteria for judging. Because sometimes there are judges who are biased in their. Now, can you rank the average grades? Okay, 3. Okay, Mariano. Second. Okay, third. Fourth. Very good. Again, 10 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Any comment with this answer, number 1? Okay, yes. Second. Okay. What are you going to do when there are positions taken by the same element? Example, in this case, nag-tie. Number 10, there is no question. It's the first. So second and third, we have 7. And then we have 5 and 3. They are tied in second and third position. What are you going to do? 3. They are tied in second and third position. What are you going to do? Just add 2 plus 3. What's the answer? 5. How many are they in the same position? 2. So you are going to divide it by 2. The answer is 2.5. Therefore, the rank is 2.5. Which one is the first? 12. 13. Second. 12. 3, 4, 5. So, the positions. 3 plus 4. Plus 5. Well, how many are they in the same position? 3. Divide it by 3. This is now the... Okay! So it represents the extent to which the same individuals or events occupy the same relative position. Ayaw, sugot na. Ayaw score first. So dapat, when you are part of the tabulating team in your barangay soon, you should be able to know all of this. Why? Because using percentage is not an ideal measure of a competition's result. Always make use of ranking because each judge has different preferences. If you are part of a competition, do not participate in percentages. Percentages meaning 100%. Now, example, Lodo is a judge. Ang highest na is 90. First place. You are also a judge. Ang highest nino is 75. That's not good. Make use of rank. Okay, this is the formula of Spearman-Brown order for distribution. Let's try now subtract 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Negative 2. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 1 minus 2. Negative 1. 6 minus 6. 7 minus 8. Negative 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 8 minus 7. 9 minus 9. 4 minus 4. Yes. Can you still remember the formula? R S equals 1 minus 6, sometimes the summation of b squared all over n times minus 1. Okay. The given is our d squared is equal to 12. Our n is equal to
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
okay, 9. 6 times summation of b squared is 12. All over 9 times 9 squared minus 1. Solve it step by step.
Naman sa formula.
Naka d squared na po ito. If you can remember, we have the differences kanina, di ba? Minus ka. After we subtracted it, we multiplied d by itself or we squared the d. Therefore, the answer is already in the d squared. 6 times 12. 72. 9. 9 times 9. 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 72 all over
9 times 80.
80. Very good. Now, moving on. 1 minus 72. Okay. 72. 9 times 80.
720.
Very good. And subtract. Mata-mata. This is 0. 7 divide 72 divided by 720.
0.10. Tapos minus
Tama? Okay. Now, what's the correlation? Taas or
Bobo.
weak?
Ay, pareha naman. Baba.
Weak.
Wait.
The correlation is strong. If you notice, the two subjects are quite correlated with each other with respect to their ranking. There are different interpretations depending on what you're going to use. Now, if you're into medicine, use the Chan. If you're into politics, the Kikya. And then, if you're into psychology, direkta pwede nakagamit. Nancy and Brady. So, it falls under strong relationship. Just write strong relationship.
Sasa na.
Any question or clarification? Okay, very good. I think wala nang pangutana. Okay, if there is no question, let's try to do this activity. Solving the Sterman-Rank correlation coefficient by pair. I'll give you 10 minutes to solve from start to end. Find your pair, preferably the person next to you. Just get one all on any yellow pad paper with you. I'll give you 10 minutes. Start now.
You are the sunlight on a rainy day.
Done. Extension for 5 minutes. Any question? Okay, for your assignment, I'll leave this to Manoy. You can take a picture, submit tomorrow morning at grade 12 on 7:50. Okay? Since there are no questions, let's call it a day. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye!